Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on wallpapers and style. Right here, let's enter this section, so the wallpapers, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got live options, which are animated ones, static wallpapers, online wallpapers from which we can choose. What is more, if you've got your account, you can tap on more wallpapers and download some online wallpapers which are free of charge. So all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it, and let me choose something pretty, maybe this one. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. So now let's tap on apply, and you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. If you want, you can apply wallpaper colors to your system, so it will create a unique look. So let me tap on OK. We have to tap on wallpaper colors, and as you can see here, we can set it custom, we can set it elegant, fresh, so they are based on the wallpaper colors. Let's tap on custom, got it. And as you can see, we can change the position of the dots to create a new scheme of colors. So let me confirm it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Let's go back and check whether the wallpaper has been applied, and as you can see, it is on the on the home screen and the lock screen also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.